In today's rapidly evolving educational landscape, interactive panels are becoming increasingly popular in classrooms. They offer a unique and engaging method of teaching that has been shown to have a significant impact on student motivation. In this video, we'll be exploring the various ways in which interactive panels can boost student motivation and enhance the learning experience. One of the primary ways interactive panels improve student motivation is by fostering a sense of engagement and collaboration. As students work together on the panel, they are encouraged to communicate, share ideas, and problem-solve as a team. This collaborative approach not only helps students develop essential skills, but also makes the learning process more enjoyable and stimulating. Another key factor in the success of interactive panels is their ability to cater to different learning styles. Students can interact with the content in a variety of ways, such as through touch, visual aids, and audio components. This versatility ensures that all students, regardless of their preferred learning style, can actively participate in the learning process, ultimately leading to increased motivation and overall satisfaction. The use of interactive panels also allows for instant feedback and assessment. Teachers can quickly gauge student understanding by reviewing their work on the panel or by using interactive quizzes and games. This real-time feedback enables students to learn from their mistakes, adjust their approach, and ultimately gain confidence in their abilities, further enhancing their motivation to learn. Lastly, interactive panels can make learning more relevant and relatable by incorporating real-world examples and scenarios. By integrating current events, news articles, and multimedia content, teachers can create a more dynamic and meaningful learning experience. This connection to real-world issues can help students see the value in their education and motivate them to actively engage in the learning process. In conclusion, interactive panels have the potential to revolutionize the way students learn by fostering collaboration, catering to diverse learning styles, providing instant feedback, and connecting learning to real-world situations. By incorporating these powerful tools into the classroom, educators can significantly improve student motivation and create an environment where learning is both enjoyable and effective.